Today we are reviewing a 665 watt monocrystalline panels. These panels are amazing if you have very limited roof space and you want to at least have enough power for most of your appliances in the house. For a very good price, just contact us. We are available in Nairobi and Kisumu. These panels are very good when you also want to start small and upgrade later. We also do have inverters, we have batteries, lithium ion, we have gel batteries, and also our flagship and our newest addition within our products. This is a 665 watt panel. I think right now within the market, maybe you'd get 620 watts, but this is 665 watts, everybody. So just contact us for great prices, great customer service, and we will get you sorted with your installations. If you even just want the solar panel by itself, we do sell the parts. We do sell parts for the batteries. We do sell parts for the inverters. So just give us a call. Our contact information is in the description box below. So we are waiting to interact with you and to sell these to you. Thanks.